Ibotta installation problems are usually caused by limited storage space, outdated phone software, App Store errors, or connection problems during the download process. By the end, you'll know how to check your phone settings, fix common Ibotta installation issues, and what information to provide if the app still will not install. Section 1 is checking your device before downloading. Start by checking your available storage space. When your phone is almost full, new apps may fail to download or complete the installation process. Remove unused apps, clear old files, or delete unnecessary downloads if your storage is low. Then try installing Ibotta again. Next, check your phone's operating system. Apps can stop working correctly when the device software is outdated. Open your phone settings and look for software updates. Install any available updates and restart your device before trying the installation again. Make sure you are downloading Ibotta from the official App Store. Android devices should use the Google Play Store, and iPhone users should use the Apple App Store. Section 2 is fixing App Store and Internet problems. A weak internet connection can interrupt the download before the app finishes installing. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check whether your connection is causing the issue. If the download gets stuck, cancel it and start the installation again. Closing the App Store completely and reopening it can refresh the download process. Restarting your phone can also remove temporary errors that prevent apps from installing. For Android users, check that the Google Play Store is working properly. For iPhone users, check that the App Store is signed in and loading correctly. Section 3 is checking availability and troubleshooting errors. Search for Ibotta directly inside your App Store and confirm that it appears for your device. If the app does not appear, your phone may not meet the required device settings, or the app may not be available for your device. If you see an error message, write down the exact wording. The message helps identify whether the issue is related to storage, compatibility, your App Store, or your device settings. If Ibotta still will not install after these checks, contact Ibotta support with your phone model, operating system version, and the error message you receive. The key points are simple. Free up storage, update your phone, and troubleshoot the App Store connection before trying again. Your next step is to restart your device, check your storage, and reinstall Ibotta from the official App Store. If this guide helped you fix an Ibotta installation problem, like the video, and subscribe for more cashback app guides.